Hey guys, today we're at Mt Doom Airsoft Field for the Twisted Trident event. The game mode is King of the Hill. We're going to try and do some sniping in the woods to hold off the enemy from pushing the objective. We're going to be pairing up with Walton Plays, aka Cody. I'll leave a link to his YouTube channel in the comments.
Got one guy down low. Okay. Okay.
See if we can get to my teammate and revive him without being seen.
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming. One, two, three, four, eight, nine. Yeah, there's guys on the right. He just called me out.
Cody's making a call out on the radio.
What's he doing?
The enemy's pushing up. Cody gets hit.
Oh, he's down. Okay. Yeah.
Let's see if I can get to him without being hit.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You where from?
Somewhere straight.
Let's see a guy. See a guy.
Nice. I'm guessing you got him.
I think so.
Oh shit. What the hell? He got to go.
Dead Ray. Push your breath. I got him again.
They're coming in the woods. Road.
Guy straight ahead. Got him. They're straight ahead this way.
You got him?
Yeah, I got this guy, but I think there's more with him. I heard him talking. Yeah, to the left. Oh yeah, they're pushing up.
My guy's still down. Let's see if they push up to revive him.
The guy that I shot's still down. They haven't revived him. Straight ahead.
Snagged a tree.
Got him. Dead.
Let's wait to be revived.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 19, 20.
Okay. I'm gonna move back. There's guys on the right. Stay down. Stay down. There's peppering all up here. To get you?
No.
I'll come over there. Yeah, just a second.
Let's see if we can make it to revive him.
You good? You good? You give me cover fire?
How's the gun shot?
1, 20.
Alright, we're good. The guy that shot me was going down there. Dude, I shot the shit out of him, but I don't think he could feel it really good.
Yeah, there was a guy down here the same way, and I shot him. There was a couple of guys on this right side too pushing up.
Who's this guy right down here in front of us?
I can't see his band.
That's where? Is it too far?
I'm getting shot at from straight ahead. Somebody. I'm gonna back up a little bit.
Alright, go ahead.
I kind of want to see if I can get eyes on the field.
Okay. Maybe that one missed. I definitely had to have hit.
Right.
I think he ducked before it hit him.
It.
Got shot from behind.
I don't know what happened to those guys behind us.
I need to call that on the
I
radio.
thought I shot one of them, but he kept walking.
I need
Because
to call-
when I hit him, I thought he'd like duck down. Got him, behind us. Got him. Pushing right.
Snagged a tree. Let's switch to my sidearm. Got them both.
Got the guy over here.
Hit! Well, shit. That didn't go well.
I get you.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I got you. They got the road covered.
We're going to try and make a last-minute push.
I say we push. You push this way.
Cody's down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20.
That's it, guys. We won. Thanks for watching.